guys, this is Caitlin from Sheppard Brackets. I just wanted to show you a couple quick tips about finding drill bits to work with our drill guides. So I have two drill bits here, and one will work and one will not. I'll show you why. This one is tapered, so it's big at the end and it gets littler. And if you put it into the bottom, so it fits the bottom, there's lots of wiggle room, and as it gets to the top, it's too thick and it won't fit through. This one is the same diameter the whole way across. So as you go to drill it in, it fits at the top, fits in the middle, fits in the bottom. There's not a lot of wiggle room, and it'll drill you perfectly straight hole every time. This one is from WoodOwl. It's a super great brand. They both say the same size on the package. They both say 13/16. But since this one is the same diameter the whole way through, it'll work perfectly. So definitely get one that's not tapered, and I would recommend WoodOwl. It's a great brand. So thanks for watching.